essential industry events and conferences for CBAP professionals. We will explore some of the essential industry events and conferences that every CBAP professional should consider attending. Why attend industry events and conferences as a CBAP professional? Industry events and conferences provide CBAP professionals with a unique platform to participate in workshops, seminars, and educational sessions focused on business analysis best practices, industry trends, and the latest updates in analysis techniques. These events also offer opportunities to engage with keynote speakers, participate in roundtable discussions, and collaborate with industry experts on knowledge sharing and skill enhancement. Certification opportunities. One of the primary reasons to attend industry events and conferences as a CBAP professional is the opportunity to earn continuing education credits towards maintaining your certification. Many events offer advanced training sessions that can help you stay up to date on industry standards and best practices, ultimately enhancing your skills and expertise as a business analyst. Networking and collaboration. These events often include networking sessions, social events, and interactive workshops that facilitate connections and collaboration within the business analysis community. Industry trends and updates. Industry events and conferences provide a platform for learning about new methodologies, tools, and techniques that can help you stay ahead of the curve and adapt to changing market conditions. Conclusion. In conclusion, industry events and conferences offer CBAP professionals a unique opportunity to enhance their skills, expand their knowledge, and network with industry experts.